Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah presented the 17th state budget for the year 2026-27, totaling 4,48,004 crore rupees, whereas previous year budget 4,09,549 crore rupees, outlining a development roadmap focused on technology, welfare and infrastructure. He highlighted balanced growth combining economic transformation with people-centric welfare. The budget also includes a ban on social media for children under 16 years. A major feature is the 11G economic model for sustainability, inclusive development, covering welfare and gender equality, strong public education, universal healthcare, rural agriculture growth, good governance, gig economy jobs, regional balance, industrial global trade expansion, tourism, environmental sustainability and planned urban development, employment and infrastructure. Recruitment for 56,432 vacant posts is underway with a 5-year age relaxation for delayed recruitments. Infrastructure project worth 8,600 crore rupees are ongoing, with 4,000 crore rupees planned next. Government has plans for each hubs around Bengaluru to decongest city ease commute. Economy and investment. Karnataka received $9.4 billion FDI, nearly 26.7% of India's total inflows, maintaining leadership in IT, biotech, startups, aerospace, defense and electronics. The Beyond Bengaluru initiative expands investments to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Education under Uttama Kalike Ujwala Bhavishya, meaning better learning, brighter future. 800 schools will become Karnataka public schools with 3,900 crore rupees over 3 years. Additional funds cover classrooms, toilets, furniture and school PUC maintenance. Health. 900 crore rupees allocated for health infrastructure, 2,500 posts to be filled. Trauma care will be strengthened in district taluk hospitals. Initiatives include free insulin pens for type 1 diabetic children and super speciality hospitals in Karwar and Yadgir. Agriculture and horticulture. Emphasis on farm-to-fork strategy, scientific guidance, financial support, quality inputs, market linkages. Programs to promote horticulture, modern farming, technologies, post-harvest processing, millet hub, Vasudhamruta, Sasya Sanjeevini and AI-run Raita Kare Kendra, Raita Malls and Agricultural College in Adani also planned. Sericulture. Karnataka produces 46% of India's silk. Support includes 531 crore rupees subsidy for 2 lakh farmers. Cashless cocoon auctions, higher transport subsidy 10 rupees to 20 rupees per kg and establishment of silk parks and chowki rearing centers. Animal husbandry, fisheries and cooperatives. Milk procurement exceeds 1 crore litre per day. Subsidies, zero interest loans and health schemes continue. Fisheries will be modernized with fish markets, training and centers of excellence. Water and irrigation. Focus on Mekidatu project, Yattinahole drinking water project, UKP stage 3, Tungabhadra dam modernization and 75 irrigation works worth 8,045 crore rupees. Minor irrigation projects include tank filling, lift irrigation and modernization across districts. Overall, the budget for the year 2026-27 aims for economic growth, welfare, infrastructure and rural-urban development, maintaining fiscal discipline while strengthening Karnataka's economy and supporting farmers, industries, education, health and water resources.